Hello, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create USB window bootable without any software. Insert your USB flash drive into your computer. Plug in the USB, make sure have at least 4 GB storage, back up the files from USB. Okay, let's start. Open Start menu and type CMD to find command prompt. Right-click on command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window appears, type Despart and click Enter. Wait until the Despart utility starts running. And then, in the new Despart window, type list disks and then click Enter. It will show you all active disks on your computer. Most probably, you will see two disk types. This 0 is for the hard drive and this one is for your USB flash drive with its total capacity. Since we are going to work on to create bootable USB using CMD, we will work with this one. Select this one and click Enter. Type clean and click Enter. To remove all of the data in the USB drive, clean command will format your bootable drive. And next step, type create partition primary and click Enter. So you will get a message like succeed in creating the specified partition. Next step is type select partition 1 and click Enter. It will choose partition 1 for setting up it as an active partition. Next step, type active and click Enter. It will active the current partition. And now, type format fs equal ntfs quick and click Enter. The command will format your current partition as ntfs file system quickly. Wait until 100% completed. And next step, type assign and press Enter. A letter will be assigned to the USB drive. Type exit and press Enter. Exit command will close the desktop program or close the window by clicking on the close icon. And now, open the location of the Windows setup and copy the files from the source. Now, find or open your USB device and paste them. The files will be copied into your USB device. Shilpi Villaplar CSS student in Alaminos City National High School. Thanks for watching!